Unlocking wellness through mindful self-reflection. Discover the power of mindfulness and its impact on your wellness. Experience a life where peace and clarity rule. Mindful self-reflection is more than just a trend. It's a lifestyle that nurtures your mental, emotional, and physical well-being. Gain insights about your thoughts, emotions, and reactions, and control them effectively. We'll guide you through exercises to polish your mindfulness skills. Practice these and witness the transformation in your life's quality. Stress, anxiety, and worry will no longer be your constant companions. Replace them with calmness, joy, and a sense of purpose. Finally, we'll discuss how to incorporate mindful self-reflection into your daily routine. Remember, wellness is a journey that starts from within. The well-being of our mind is crucial in determining our overall health. This tutorial seeks to guide you to unlock wellness through mindful self-reflection. Let's dive deeper into the journey of self-discovery and nurturing our mental health. Understanding self-reflection is our first step. Self-reflection is the act of setting aside some time, often in solitude, to consider our thoughts, feelings, and actions. It's like holding up a mirror to our mind and soul to understand ourselves better. You might ask why mindful self-reflection is important. It allows us to understand our emotions, enhance our perspective towards ourselves and others, and facilitate personal growth. It's a vital tool to maintain psychological well-being. Now, let's move on to how we can practice mindful self-reflection. All you need is a quiet space, 15 to 20 minutes of undisturbed time, and an open mind. Do this consistently, and you will see the benefits over time. Start by getting comfortable. You can sit or lie down, whatever feels right for you. Close your eyes and take a couple of deep breaths. This will help create a peaceful environment for your mind. The next step is to focus on your breath. Feel the sensation of your breath entering and leaving your body. This simple act of focusing can help you stay present, which is crucial for mindful self-reflection. Now, gently bring your attention to your thoughts. Don't judge or try to change them. Just observe. Are they positive, negative, or neutral? Are they related to the past, present, or future? Just be aware. Now shift your focus to your emotions. Try to identify what you're feeling. Is it joy, sadness, anger, or something else? Again, don't judge or try to change your emotions, simply observe. After observing your thoughts and emotions, gently guide your awareness to your body. How does it feel? Are there any sensations? Being aware of bodily sensations can enhance our mindful self-reflection practice. Once you've observed your thoughts, emotions, and bodily sensations, it's time for reflection. Reflect on what you've noticed. What patterns did you see? What did you learn about yourself? After reflecting, take a moment to appreciate yourself for taking this time out for self-care. Self-reflection is an act of love towards oneself. It's a step to understanding yourself better and enhancing your mental well-being. Incorporate this practice into your daily routine. It could be in the morning to set the tone for the day, in the evening to wind down, or any time you feel the need for it. Remember, mindful self-reflection is a journey, not a destination. There will be days when it's tough, days when it's easy, and days when it's enlightening. Embrace all parts of the journey. Through mindful self-reflection, we can unlock wellness, understand ourselves better, and nurture our mental health. It's a simple yet powerful tool for personal growth. Embrace it and enjoy the journey of self-discovery.